Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. If you just want the short version before buying, this is my simple take on the fun find. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. 2-year worry-free guarantee included. If it breaks, return it and we'll replace it for free. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Robust parental controls manage everything from your phone, including screen time limits, pausing or resuming. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Grows with Kids use filters to adjust the content they consume to match their age, so they can enjoy this tablet. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are gift idea, easy fun, and family-friendly. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. My simple verdict: the fun find looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.